What's the biggest thing you've ever made?
The biggest thing I've ever made? Probably these nuts.
When Jimmy told me about these nuts, I knew it was gonna be huge. When Jimmy first told me about these nuts, I thought he was crazy. I love these nuts. Same. I keep it there on me at all times. These nuts taste so good.
It's like this amazing peanut butter chocolate flavor. Nut dad.
That's good nuts. You have to try this.
Definitely not question my life choices.
To sea, and the name of the ship was the Belly of Tea. The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down. Oh, blow me, bully boys, blow.